Now, this is the final pattern. This is the last space there. Now, if you notice that because it's a vortex, it's overlapping at some point. Like here is overlapping. You cannot cut it. When the pattern lays flat on the table, any point that it overlaps, you need to separate, you need to do something to make sure they stay apart while the pattern is still flat. If it's not flat, you will not be able to cut out on your fabric properly. So you identify where you have the overlap and check the closest triangle to it. Just look for the closest triangle to it and start working from there. Like this one, this is where it's overlapped. So I can start working from this triangle or this one. I open it up in the middle, insert another paper, fold it back, okay, and then it will help this space to open up. So let's see how we do that. You draw a line in the middle of the triangle there, add your balance mark, and then cut it out. Just cut it almost to the tip of the triangle. To the tip of the triangle. Okay, stop there. Expand it to where how much you want. Trying to make sure every other part lies flat. Okay, make sure they're not overlapping anymore. Arrange it to be sure there are no more overlapping. We are able to spread our pattern so it lies flat on the surface of the table. How did we do that? Remember I said you can slash open some points. We have some points we've slashed open here, like one here. This one was overlapped this way, so we open here to allow it space. This one we opened it. We have another space there we opened, and another one. Yours can be 2 points, yours can be more than 3. It depends on how much it overlapped. But the primary thing you need to understand is that your pattern has to be flat on the surface so that you'll be able to cut your pattern on your fabric, okay? Now the next thing you are going to do is you are going to fill in the gap of those openings with a small paper. Just use paper to fill in those gaps, okay? Use paper to fill in the gaps. Okay, those points that you fill in the paper, we are going to, later on, we are going to fold it in such a way that we get the trimming, we cut it out properly. The idea is just to expand it. The idea is just to expand it to make sure it lies flat, okay? So when we get there, we cut it again, but this time we want to fold it from the last point and fold it back to the front.